Lesson 9 Part 4 Vocab. First, Go Shujin, someone else's husband. Go Shujin wa donna shigoto shimasu ka? What work does your husband do? Second, Otto, Shujin, my husband. Otto wa ginko indas. My husband is a bank employee. Third, Oku-san, someone else's wife. Oku-san no guai wa dou desu ka? Hey, mo daijoubu desu. How is your wife's health now? She is doing fine. Fourth, Suma Kanai, my wife. Suma wa kyoshi desu. My wife is a teacher. Fifth, Kodomo, child. Tanaka-san wa kodomo ga futari imasu. Tanaka-san has 2 kids. Sixth, Yoku, well, much. Watashi wa Karina-san no koto yoku shitemasu. I know Karina very well. Seventh, Daitai, mostly, roughly. Karira wa watashi to daitai onaji nenrei desu. He is almost the same age as me. Eighth, Taksan, many, much. Eki no mae ni mise ga taksan arimasu yo. There are a lot of shops in front of the station. Ninth, Skoshi, a little, a few. Gohan, tabemashita ka? Skoshi shika tabemasen deshita. Did you eat your meal? I couldn't eat much. 10th, Zenzen, not at all, used with negatives. Chugoku go wa zenzen wakarimasen. I don't understand Chinese at all. Grammar point 5th, Doshite. The interrogative doshite is used to ask the reason for something. Kara is placed at the end of the reply giving the reason. Example, Doshite asa shimbun o yomimasen ka? Jikan ga arimasen kara. Why don't you read a newspaper in the morning? Because I don't have time. The question doshite desu ka is used to ask the reason for something the other person has just said instead of repeating what they said. Example, Kyou wa hayaku kairimasu. Doshite desu ka? Kodomo no tanjoubi desu kara. I'm going home early today. Why so? Because it's my son's birthday.